Hey Melanines, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And guys, I am on braids. So this is my tutorial video where I will be sharing how I got this beautiful long knotless braids on myself. So you want to see that? Stay tuned to the end of this video. So for these braids, I will be using two medium-sized extension. I am using the Lush hair color 30 and the Darling hair color 613. These were the two colors combination I could get from the market, so that's why I'm using two different brands. But anyway, they were nice, so it doesn't really matter. So going into what we have in the pack, these are how the extensions looks like, and I'm going straight in to divide them into three and cutting them. You might as well decide to divide yours into two, but I decided to cut mine into three just so I can have more than enough hair and I don't run out of them, and I can manage how much I add to make it the length it presently is at, if that actually makes any sense. So I'm going to go ahead to mix these two beautiful colors, and to do that I'm firstly spraying it with water because it just makes it a whole lot easier, and then I'm applying some shea butter. This adds shine to the hair and makes it less hard to arrange or whatsoever you call these, and it also reduces the tangles it gets, and you can easily separate or do whatsoever I'm doing right now on the screen. So I'm mixing the colors this way. This is the best way. You're not going to get so much tangles, you're not going to lose so much hair. So I'm basically just going to be doing this, separating them, joining them, separating them till they mix up well eventually. And this is it. It's mixed up very well, and I don't know am I the only one who's getting really cool, lovely vibes from this color already? Like, these two colors are they're amazing. They're like mwah. Like, I don't know, tell me in the comment section if you feel the same. So I'm brushing it to make it smooth, of course. And I don't know, guys, look at this color. I mean, look at this, like, I was already getting this really nice vibes from these colors already, even without making them on my hair already. So yeah. So I'm going to section it off, tying it down, and let's get straight into my hair. So I actually already braided my hair to this point off camera, and it took me 2 days to do that, and this is day 3 of me braiding my hair. The braids are quite small and long, so that explains why it took me that long to get my hair braided. Anyway, so this is me going in to part my hair, and I'm showing you guys how I part my hair. I am particularly gentle with parting my hair just to make sure I am not breaking my hair while doing so. And whenever I come across some knots, I take my time and gently unravel them so I don't break my hair during the process. And I'm also working on stretched hair, which reduces how much tangles or knots I can get while parting and the amount of breakage I can get. So that is particularly important when prepping your hair for braids. Anyway, so I already parted my hair, and this is me parting for one braid to get the box shape. So the hair's already parted, and I will be going in with a comb to comb my hair. Just so you know, I'm not using a very tiny comb. It's quite wide enough to go through my hair. Now I'm using the Shine and Jam conditioning gel. This will help to add shine to your hair and also make it stay down. And as you can see, I don't apply it directly to the scalp. I just don't really like that, and I'm just putting it on my hair to give it that sleek look. Then I'm going in to braid my hair. Finally, the part you've all been waiting for, and I'm just simply going to braid my hair normally for like just 2 times, and then I'm going in with a piece of hair, and I'm just going to put that round above, and I'm going to take that in, and then I will continue braiding my hair and not take the other part in, and then I braid it, and then finally I take the second part in, then continue braiding, if this is actually making sense. Okay, so I'm going to show you this again. I take a piece of hair, I take it just one end, I weave it, and then I finally take the second end of the hair down, and at this point both ends of hair are going towards the same side. So that's basically it. I repeat the same process, take one end at a time, and then keep on braiding. So this is just one way you can do knotless braid. I'll be showing you another simple method, so still keep on watching. So after this, I'm just going to keep on braiding my hair downwards, and I'm going to be showing you guys how I will be adding this piece of hair. So as you can see, this piece of hair only gets to two ends, and I will slowly be showing you again how I did that. So this is the piece of hair, is going to the middle and the right. We're going to name the 3 side A, B, and C, and the hair is going to A and B, and then we're going to keep on weaving that way, and that's basically just it. And we're just going to keep on weaving to the end of the hair. And I didn't mention, but I kept some piece of silver colored hair, so I can add it to the tip and give it this kind of color hue or whatsoever. So I noticed I made a mistake while parting my hair and picked the piece from the other section, but it's fine, it would eventually be covered. Anyway, going into the second way you can do knotless braid, or the other way, easier way. All you simply need to do is to braid your hair to a point, just hair a little bit. And for this method we'll be using a crochet hook or a crochet needle or pin or whatsoever you call it. So all you have to do is to put the pin underneath your braid or through your braid, and then add the piece of hair in the hook, close up the hook, and then pull it out through the braids or through your hair, and then you go in and just pull out just one piece of hair. So at this stage you're left with 3 pieces of hair which you will be using for your braid. So for this you don't have to use any special technique, you just go ahead and braid your hair the way you will normally do. And of course you still need to go in to add more pieces of hair just to make sure your braids are as fat as you want it to. And you're simply going to use this method that I showed you, the second easy method, and then just basically do that till the ends of your braids. And yeah, you can try this method if you find it more easier for you. So here's the end result. How do you guys think I did? Rate me in the comment section below, and if this video was informative to you, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe. So I will be seeing you in my next video. Ciao.